What's up, guys? Sorry, excuse me, and welcome to another unboxing. And today I received a package from Japan. Now I know what this is, I think, because of the shape of the box, but you guys don't. So you're gonna find out very, very soon. Now I've ordered a couple of kits. I'm still waiting for the Vercar. It's a joke. I pre-ordered this in October. The release was November. It's now February and I still have no fucking Wing Zero Vercar. It's a joke. I'm going to be the last person on the planet to have this kit. It's so annoying, and it's Japan's fault. Shipping to the UK is not on their priority, just not. They don't care. So, but I've ordered this off of eBay, off of a seller that I cannot name in this video, but I'll put it in a link in the description below if you want to get yours from there. This kit apparently is $13.99 in UK pounds, $13.99. The postage makes up for the rest of it. It's an old kit, which I'm going to stop talking and get into it, so I'll just open the box for it. Packaged in this like wax paper, so yeah, but it seems pretty, you know, pretty sturdy. It's you know, it's not had no knocks or bangs or nothing like that. It's perfectly packaged, and the box inside feels pretty, yeah, it's intact. Let's get rid of that. Right, so the invoice, if it, you know, $13.99 for this kit plus the postage. The postage ramped it up to about 36, so I paid more for the postage than I did the kit. And the kit in question is your boy, the heavy arms from Endless Waltz. The first iteration, it's not the custom, it's not the Kai, but it is the TV version, I think. I'm not sure. Oh no, he doesn't have the blade on the arm, so I think this is the Endless Waltz one rather than the TV series one. Oh, he does have the blade on the arm. Don't listen to me. Again, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But it's almost like a Vercar box in terms of the styling. 3,800 yen. It was on sale for 14 quid. So you can understand why I picked it up. The postage didn't take too long, about 3 weeks. And again, there's a little slight ding in the box there which probably been dropped. There's a bit of crushing, but I can't argue with it. You know, £13 for the kit and the postage, so it came to, like I say, it came to about £32, which is really reasonable for a HG kit, even though this kit was made in 2012. So it's a relatively old kit, but still within the realms of decent technology. Dry rubs? Are they dry rubs? They look like dry rubs. I will be getting some water slides for this. The A runner, and then we have the H and B runner, and the strip for the magazine belt. We have the C runner, and small missile pods and missiles and inner frame on the F runner. I have a D runner, which more missile casings and what look like polycaps and Sinclair parts. More magazine but for the bullet belt, what looks like the bullet drum and the gun itself. More inner frame, which looks like the legs and feet. And then we have the inner frame for the arms, hands, and some more feet by the looks of it, and the chest and the flaps for the open hatch mode, full hatch or whatever it's called. So yeah, oh, shiny makes blurry, sorry, come on, Come on, there we go. What a beautiful piece of artwork that is. Here's the colour scheme. I might stay true to the colour scheme. I might have my own idea of where I want to go with this kit yet. I'm not really keen of orange and red together, to be fair. So I might do it a little bit different. I'm undecided. I am undecided. Because I'm going to be doing the Wing Zero Vercar differently. I'm going to be giving it a Dark Angel theme. So some really dark greens, some greys and browns, and go from there. But there we have it. The first of the kits I have in hand. I wanted to start it all off with the Wing Zero. I could have held onto this package and like kept it for content later on, but I'm a bit excited that I've got heavy arms in my pocket. So I will be on payday. I'll be ordering another high mobility Zaku to make up the rest of the team. So it'll be like the mash suit with the bazooka. Some some water slide decals for them. And what else am I going to be ordering? Probably something from Gunprimer, because they've got a bit of a sale going on, and I would like a scriber, the scribe pen, the good, or whatever it's called, and the joint guard system. Because if you watch my live build, I am on the shoulder piece inside here. I messed up that polycap by putting an ankle piece, this piece in there, and stretching it. So now the arm for the Ortega unit is really floppy. So with the joint guard, you put it on the ball joint, smush it in, and it stiffens it up. Anyway, that's a little bit of an unboxing, a bit of an update of what's going on. I will, once I've got the Vercar and this one done, I will then be ordering the Death's Eye of Hell, or the Rosette. I'm not sure yet, undecided. Probably the Hell and the Sandrock. And then once I've got them and I've got them done, I'll then move on to the Ultron. I'll get the Sports Ultron P-Bandai, try and secure that, and then I'll have the team. Whether I then go down the Kai, Heavy Arms Kai, or not, we'll have to wait and see, because I don't want to mix the team up with, like, you know, Series 1 and Series 2, the movie set. I want the Endless Waltz team. So I have to figure it out. Gonna have to figure it out. I mean, I might even paint him the Kai colours. And then it's just a case of the guns, isn't it, really? But I'm not too fussed by it, to be honest. See, this is the team that I would like. The Wing Zero, the Kai, the Ultron in green, the Sandrock with the armadillo, the Heavy Arms, and the Wing Zero. Not really fussed about the Shenlong, so I'll go for the Ultron. No, I don't know. It's all confusing to me. There's so many kits involved in Wing and iterations and stuff. I'll just get the kits as they are, what ones I want, and just put them together. It doesn't really matter, does it, at the end of the day? But I've kept you long enough. Thanks for popping in. And I'm going to keep you updated with what's going on as kits come in. I will be doing a live build with this probably when I'm getting another day off. I'd love to do it tonight, but Destiny's dropping some new content tonight. The new season starts, so I'm going to be playing a bit of that. I might even stream that. So I might be streaming some Destiny later. But in terms of this build, it's going to be an FYI. I'm going to let you know. I'm going to let you know. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, and I shall speak to you guys soon. Thanks for joining. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for liking, and I'll see you in the next video.